thing we've noticed about this 3-in-1 set is, again, no numbers on the bags.
And it's quite a tough build now.
Yeah, it makes it a tough build because you've got
so much pieces.
You've got multiple aspects to this build, and we've had to open up
so many bags, and it's just a mess here.
Yeah, we've had to open up multiple bags just to find certain small pieces.
Oh, I found it.
Just to start this build. So, other than that, it looks exciting. Looks like it's going to take a while because it's a big build.
Oh, did that red piece?
So this is coming together nicely. No, the toilet paper is not part of the build. There's a open fire barbecue. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
And there's the house coming along nicely. You can see the sink in there, frying pan. Got some flowers outside the window. Very nice. Alright, so we're much later in this build. Here's the master builder. Carefully paying attention to the instructions. It looks like we've moved on to the motorhome now. Looks like this motorhome is quite well equipped. And still more to come, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very late. We should continue this tomorrow, okay?
I don't want to.
What?
Finish it today.
Finish it today? I don't think so.
So exciting. I want you finish it today.
Oh, scary. Okay, so the roof is back on now. Roll up that little awning. Oh. Oh. Irresponsible motorhome driver. And there's the roof.
It crashed into.
Nothing too interesting on the roof.
Crashed into the bus.
So this is part 2 of the 3-in-1, right?
And look, the bus. Yeah, I built.
Okay, get out of here, bus. Let's take a look at this side. Okay, so this is the part that pulls out, right? That makes it bigger inside. And, oh, we can open this up. Hey, you didn't show that part. The back part can open up.
What part?
That part in the back, doesn't it open up?
No.
You have to take off the roof first, right?
Look at that. You take off it.
Ooh. Wow. Opens up inside. That's amazing.
And look what happened. Into inside. Crash into inside.
Okay, you're not part of the set. You go away. Let's look inside here.
Look, the bus destroyed.
The top, oh, this part of the roof comes off too. I forgot about that. Oh, there's some lights in there. You got 3 lights. Nice door there inside. Let's turn it around. And there's a pan and a sink. And there's a bed. And a little suitcase under the bed.
Yeah.
That bed can go down like that, right? There we go.
I knew that bed.
Toilet. 2 seats for people to sit in the front. Windows, door. Looks like there's a television there.
Look, I got some little lights going.
Got some lights. Okay, yeah, you're not part of the set either. You go away.
Looking inside.
Oh, you want to brighten up the inside so we can see it. Roll the little. There we go. I thought the attention to detail on this was quite amazing.
Look how you folded too much.
It can come all the way down like that. Wow. Okay.
And look, those are hinges.
Alright, and there's a little boat that comes with it.
Yeah,
I think in the last part of the video we didn't have that, right? And it's on a trailer, and that can unhitch, right?
Yeah,
The
and
trailer
look.
can unhitch. Oh, and the motor, that outboard motor can come out of the water that way. And as far as I know, I don't think this
And
boat
look,
will
I
float though. There's a life buoy on there.
and a window, and the steering wheel, and the seat.
Oh, excellent. All right. Can you show us inside the motorhome some of the detail? Not sure if we went through that before earlier on.
Yes, did.
Let's see it again. Okay, so you're taking off the roof. So you can take
And
off the
look,
roof.
there.
It's meant to be taken off.
I put a little gun in there.
A little gun inside.
Yeah, a little gun.
Maybe they're going hunting. I hope they don't kill any animals though. We like animals, right?
And look, the gun, this machine gun.
Okay, this is obviously from another set too. And
They can-
people be careful with those at home. Don't point those. If you have any Legos that have these kind of
Look,
pieces that
Boom.
can shoot projectiles.
they can shoot
Do
so
we
high.
point those at people's eyes?
No.
No.
They
but-
say cannot.
Yes. Okay. All right. So if you look inside here, you can see all the attention to detail.
Huge candle.
And there's a table in there, a chair. There's actually I think it's supposed to be a refrigerator in there in the back. As you can see, there's a toilet as well. There's the bed in there. There's the kitchen, the sink, and the pan.
Seat and a table and a television and the lights.
Okay.
Those lights almost look like Lego potion.
Lego potion. Okay.
They're almost like Lego.
And who are the two characters in here?
A boy and a girl.
Okay. Boy doesn't have his hat on right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, can you open up the back? Let's show it.
Look what can do. You have the roof on. Look what I found out.
What did you find out?
Look, I just opened up the trap door. Look, trap door.
Oh, so he's made a modification here. I don't think
Look,
that's part
of
of
the
set.
trap door, boom, fall down.
Oh, okay, so that's a part of the motorhome that extends. Okay, can you take the roof off and take the trailer off?
Oh.
That's okay.
I just popped the
Let's show
door.
inside while he's getting that ready. I just want to talk about this instruction book. As you can see,
It's already open.
this is one of the thickest, if not the thickest, Lego instruction book that I've seen. Now this is a 3-in-1, so we have to take that into consideration. But this is very heavy, and I will say, good on Lego. They included one of these, which is very useful for taking off pieces. Sometimes pieces can be on pretty tight and difficult to get off, especially for children. And they also advised
Look, candle.
Wow. They also advised which parts of the 3-in-1. They advised which parts of it were easy, a quick build, medium build, and advanced build. So this
Advance and build is really hard to.
yeah, that one took quite a while, didn't it? But was it fun?
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah,
Do
it
you-
wasn't that fun though because it's so long.
So maybe it tried your patience a little bit.
Yeah, it makes me a long patience.
That's good. It's good to practice patience. Okay.
Look, the candle again.
Okay. Move the candle. I want to talk about this just for a minute. So, yeah, the quick build was for the boat. The medium level build was for the house and the Jeep. And this is the what they advise is the hard or more challenging build, advanced build. And yeah, they give you that piece. And the instructions, as always with Lego, usually pretty detailed, pretty easy to follow. Did you find it easy to follow?
No, that was all hard.
It was all hard?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's bring up the box and just show the box for a second because how old are you?
6.
Okay, and they say it's for ages 9 to 14, so it might be a little bit challenging for a 6-year-old or younger. but it is a 3-in-1 as it says on the box. You've got a lot of pieces.
And look at the
all
back.
the different pieces on the side.
They show you all the features on the back.
Show you all the features on the back. Okay, all right. So they show you've got an instruction booklet. They show how the house can come apart there
And also,
or open up, and then they show the different features of the motorhome.
and what can open up.
Yeah, can open up. We're gonna open up the back in a minute. Actually, you've already got it open, right?
I already got it.
Okay, let's take a look at that. Let's move the bear and the sleigh. Let's take a look at the back. Can you point it towards the camera here? There we go. How about taking off the roof, because then more light will get in and we can see more clearly inside. Ooh, that comes off pretty easy, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's just one hitch. 2 hitches holding the roof.
Hey, the table is sloping down. Any cups and things will slide off that, right?
What?
Oh, so it's adjustable. All right, good. There we go. It's got a hinge there, and it's adjustable. Then on this side, you can see there's a light there. It looks like a television. Hey, show us the television. Is that a television? Looks
Yeah.
like it.
And look.
Okay, so the television can swivel so that if somebody was sitting there and having something to eat or drink, they can actually watch the television. And there's the refrigerator. Right?
And look.
Or ice box.
I'll show you. Can it open?
Is it open? Oh.
Oh. Popped off.
It fell off. That's okay. We'll put that back on.
Let's try to fix it. Quite tough to fix. Too tough. Need to take that part apart.
Oh, that's okay. We'll fix it afterwards. Anyway.
After the video.
Yeah. Okay. And then there's the inside. As you can see, there's a kitchen sink there and a pan. And I'm just going to take out your gun out of there just for a minute so we can see.
A hamburger.
It's a hamburger there? Some kind of sandwich?
And also a light and a suitcase there.
Oh, there's a suitcase there. You're right. A suitcase there.
Oh
yeah. Show us that. Show us that part of the motorhome that can extend out there. You fixing your trapdoor? That's a custom job, by the way. That's not in the instructions. That's his own little trapdoor on the roof. And let me pull that out so we can see it. Pull out that part there.
And
So
look,
it's got a nice handle.
have you moved this and look, that falls down the trapdoor.
Your trapdoor falls down if you don't have that little piece on it. So the nice little touch, as you can see, there's a handle on that piece, so it's easy to pull out. Can you take off your roof with the trapdoor for a minute so we can see how it looks with that part extending out, which gives more room inside. And there's where the bed is. Okay.
Yeah, and look at the bed. They can go up.
Oh,
and you can put stuff inside. You can see our green suitcase.
Oh, there's a little storage place underneath the bed?
Yeah, and a little green suitcase.
Green suitcase they give you with that?
Yeah.
And then there's the front where they sit when they're driving.
And look, there is something.
Hey, there's chicken on the floor there.
Yeah. And look what you can do. You put that map right in the front.
You'll have to turn it around. Can't see it that way. You need to turn it. There we go.
Look, the map.
Is it a map or is it maybe a newspaper?
Look.
Okay, so that's where the map, that little ledge there is where that map is supposed to.
You know why I have map? Because they don't want to get lost in the forest while they're camping. They want to still get back the state.
Yeah, always have a map because you never know if there isn't Wi-Fi or 4G or some kind of signal where you're going, right?
You need to go.
Okay, so
A
there's
barbecue.
a little barbecue too.
Yeah.
Where does the barbecue go when they're driving around?
What?
Where do they store that?
On the roof.
Oop, bless you. So they got a little spot for you to put that?
Yeah. No.
Somebody needs to blow his nose. Okay, so what do you think of this set? You like it?
I like it so much. I like it 100.
You like it 100? So out of 10, you like it 100?
Yeah.
That's how much you like this one?
Yeah. 100 out of 10.
100 out of 10. Wow. So you like it 10 times more than any set that you would give 10?
I give 100.
You give 100 for this set. Okay, well. So you think it was worth it?
I think it's good.
All right.
See, the boat have hinges, so the window can open, and the roof can pop up.
Yeah, that's a nice touch that they've added, where you can take off these roof pieces easy, so you can see inside.
And look, you can eat stuff on the back with that shading thing.
Looks like she's got some nice chicken there. Yeah.
And also a cup. And he's looking outside. Uh-oh, the fish better get out of the way, because otherwise the ship will crash into the fish.
Okay. All right. Well, 31052, folks. I think it's a great Lego set. Don't you?
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay.
Okay. Now what?
We're bringing that other what is it? Police jeep?
Police van.
Police van?
Minivan.
Police minivan?
Yeah, look what I put on it. Look what I put on it from the set.
Barbecue or push bar?
Not weird thing.
So you got a what? Speedometer or tagometer there?
I know.
So, you gonna play with your set now?
Yeah, let's go with this first. Let's start with this with Dukes of Hazzard.
Dukes of Hazzard?
Right.
I don't remember any police minivan in Dukes of Hazzard. Hey. Hey, but that isn't part of this set. I thought you were gonna play with this set.
Now,
Now you're gonna play with that part.
okay.
Oh, it's not closing. Is it something to do with your trap door, or is there something in there?
I don't know what's going
Open
on.
your trap door, see if you can see anything in there, or take off the roof.
Look what I can do. Ah, that's the foot trap. The foot trap for the bear.
The bear trap? Is that a bear trap?
Yeah, I made a bear trap.
I don't like bear traps. Those are not nice
Why?
because they hurt. That's not a bear trap. That's the barbecue.
No!
What that part of that one is the barbecue. Is there another piece down in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, then take off the roof.
See? This
Oh, no,
comes
it's fine.
right up.
Okay, no, it's fine. So when you moved it a little bit, it got out of the way, right? Whatever.
Okay.
It's just blocking it.
Ha-ha!
Coming to the campsite.
Look. Look, the boy is driving silly.
The boy is driving.
Yeah.
Hey, don't destroy the campsite.
Knock down a tree.
Knock down a tree. That's not nice. That's not taking care of the planet. Why isn't that mommy? Why isn't she saying taking over the driving? She needs to take over the driving. Oh, this is not good.
Oh, no.
Oh, come on. I don't think they use motorhomes for just running over things. And there goes the bear sleigh. I guess the bear got upset at them driving dangerously. The bear wants in. Oh no! The bear is really doing a number on this motorhome. Oh, it's getting too scary for me. Okay, what do you say?
Not goodbye yet.
Yeah.
Don't need to fix the problem.
You're gonna fix the problem?
Yeah.
Okay, you fix the problem and then we'll say goodbye. Alright. There you go.
But the problem is still not done.
Oh, yeah. Still gotta fix the wheel.
Okay.
There we go.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.